So I got a drone. Got a drone. That's pretty sweet. It's got the... So, I ended up getting the DJI Mavic Air 2. I ended up going with this one. It's like a mid-range. You know, you have your high-end, the Pro 2 and the zoom, and all the way down to, you know, your Spark and Mini on the low end, which are still great. But, you know, I'm not ready to drop $1,500 plus on a drone at all. That's a lot of money. But for about half price, you can get the Air 2, which is great. So far the camera's been pretty sweet, and I'm just wanting to, you know, get my feet wet as far as drones go. I don't need professional quality video, but this one just came out. It has pretty good visuals, and yeah, I just want to see what it can do. But I also got a good deal, so I got it second hand, but it was literally brand new, and it was the combo with the more batteries. It's taking a little break from editing just to kind of go over in my head what it didn't film, kind of fill the spots, but I'm pretty impressed overall with the performance and the video quality of the drone, the Air 2. It's pretty sweet. I have a little bit experience with the Mavic Pro 2 that my brother had for a little bit, and that one was really sweet. I'm sure the video is better on that just because it has a larger sensor. You know, I think this one's a 1/2-inch sensor and that one's a 1-inch, so that's just naturally going to be a better camera, just off sensor size. But really pleased with this, and you know, people are going to make the comparison, but for the price difference, you know, you're talking about double the price for, I don't think double the quality. I don't think it's double the quality. It is certainly better, but even then, if you look at the, you know, the minis, what is it, $300, and that one looks great too. So, I mean, you really have a lot of options in this this isn't really a, which drone should I get video, but I mean, they're all great. The technology is there. It's pretty sweet. But I just wanted to shoot some video, get a couple clips, and I'm learning too. It's not like I'm good at this. So if you think they're good, then more power to the drone, because it did all the work there. If you think it's bad, then well, I mean, I didn't. I'm not really experienced in it, so forgive me. But if you got any questions, let me know. I'll try my best to answer it, but who knows? All right, thanks.